The office of the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District on Friday unfolded a significant event at Shillong's Wards Lake as it became the venue for the Water Heritage Fortnight. The initiative brought together village executive councils (VECs) from various villages across the East Khasi Hills District, spotlighting the crucial importance of water preservation and conservation in daily life. During the program, a noteworthy segment included the felicitation of 11 VECs representing the East Khasi Hills blocks by the DC RM Kurba. This acknowledgement aimed to honor their contributions to water conservation efforts within their respective areas. In her address, Kurba emphasized the alarming disappearance of streams and rivers due to advancing civilization.
DC presidents ki long kami berani ki bayawan hangisni banyak celebrate ya kata water heritage Fortnight kebalakut menen but ni kumbala batai menen ni celebrate negara sini ya penhap lang but ya all India bagi celebrate negara sini.
The Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency